everyone, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
This hair is from the Seg Saver store on Amazon and it comes in this silver and pink box. It also comes with a pair of eyelashes, 2 wig caps, fake flower tattoos, and a thank you note. The wig is 26 inches, Brazilian virgin body wave hair, 180% density, and a 13x4 lace front. The hair does feel thick and soft, and the ends seem pretty full as well. The wig is also bouncy and has a lot of movement to it, but it does have a slight chemical smell. But as I ran my fingers through it, I didn't get much shedding. Along the front and back of the wig is HD transparent Swiss lace. Inside it, you have 4 combs and adjustable straps. And the hair is supposedly already pre-plucked with a natural hairline. Before I put the wig on, I curled the hair using this Remington curling wand on 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I wore the glove that came with the curling wand to lessen my chances of burning myself, and I just wrapped a small piece of the hair around the wand and held it for about 10 seconds. And the curls came out really pretty and defined. I'd say the hair curled well. The wig did shed while I was curling it though. So I put a wig cap on and my real hair is just braided straight back. I've also already cut some of the lace off the wig and I'm just going to put the wig on and position it on my head to my liking. Now this lace should probably be bleached before you put it on, but I'm going to make it work and I ended up cutting more of the lace off. I used this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, color 360, and a small makeup brush to better blend the lace with my complexion. This Gotta Be Ultra Glue gel was used to glue my lace down, but a small amount since I only keep my wigs on for a day at the most. I also use this Got to Be Glued Free spray as well. You can spray it directly on your head, but I just spray a small amount on my fingers and apply it that way. This Style Factor Edge Booster and my edge brush were used to create some baby hairs. I normally don't cut the hair, I just brush a few pieces of my hair back around the start of my part like so. I use this She Is Balm hair wax stick to get the top of my wig to lay flatter and tame any flyaway pieces of hair. I also just combed the top of the wig down once I was done doing that. And I finger combed the curls to make the hair look bigger, give it more volume. Lastly, I tied the sides of the wig down with a scarf. So this is how the hair turned out, and I like it. I think the hair and curls are really pretty. The hair is definitely full, more full in the back than in the front and sides of the wig though, but the hair can surely hold a curl. The part looks all right. I wish the part was able to go back further though. It looks a little off. That could have been also how I did the part. But let me know what you guys thought of this wig and if you liked it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. And let me know what other type of videos you want to see from me. Thank you.